Hello, my name is David Moreno Urbina. I am single. I am from Cucuta. I am 29 years old. I am a student. I am studying technology and self and health at work UNAT. I live in San Pedro. In my free time, I like sleep and rest and study, go out, play with my dogs, and sometimes I prefer spend with my family and my girlfriend. I live in San Pedro and I am going to talk about this weird town. San Pedro is very nice. It is a fabulous corregimiento located in Cúcuta, Colombia. It is a tourist town and there is a old train station. Also there are four swimming pool, ice river water called Los Naranjos. In San Pedro, our typical food is the goat, is a dish that has pepitoria, yuca, potatoes, and rice. On July 29th, people usually celebrate the feast of San Pedro and San Pablo. People sometimes go out with their family and eat typical food and they dance. In addition, in my town there are touristic places such as the Father Stone where people go hiking and people often enjoy visiting or beautiful landscape. In my town there are some coal mines. The coal is exported locally and nationally. In San Pedro there are a drugstore, there is a bakery, there is a library, and there are hotels. In conclusion, in my town you can visit famous landmarks and enjoy its cuisine. I always enjoy talking about my town and I hope you can visit us someday. Thanks for your attention.